more opportunity for scholarships and that.
All electors are taking part with enthusiasm and dedication in this Lok Sabha election. Many old voters were seen visiting different polling stations early in the morning to cast their votes. These senior citizens were given facilities of wheelchairs, and election officials also helped the senior citizen to cast their votes. A senior who cast her vote encouraged young voters to come out in large numbers and exercise their right to franchise.
This one provided wheelchair and all. That's I'm really very happy to see that. That's how I need more number. Youth must come and vote because they are the future of our nation. So youth must come and give their vote. Expectation from there is better than previously. So I hope for that, and we do work for the Shillong and especially some miscreants. All those things we should take care of it.